Okay, guys. So, if you are new into KDP, you will understand that for some time now, we've been having issues getting OTP from Amazon if you're signing up on KDP for the first time. So, I've had a lot of students, a lot of my students complain, sir, that they can't sign up. And previously, I've made a couple of videos on how we can bypass the OTP, and sometimes it worked and sometimes it doesn't work. Especially when it doesn't work is for people who are signing up for the first time. I've done a video how you can use a fake number, and it is taking time. So please, I want you to listen carefully and watch this video with rapt what attention. Now, one thing is shooting a video, and one thing is sometimes people don't listen carefully and then watch the video with rapt attention. So please, I need you to follow me. Now, Amazon is one of the best websites presently right now. So over time they improve their website, especially security wise. So for some time now in this part of the world, we don't receive OTP. So I'm going to show you how to receive OTP if you are signing up on Amazon for the first time. So I want you to follow me carefully. So for you to do that, you need two apps. You need two apps. Now, the first app you need to download on your phone, please, the first app you need to download on your phone is the Amazon Shopping. Go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Here, I'm on Play Store, all right? If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your Apple Store. So I'm here on my Play Store. So once you go to your Play Store, go to the search bar here, all right? Go to the search bar and type Amazon Shopping. Amazon Shopping. Okay? Amazon Shopping. I already have it installed on my phone. Amazon Shopping. Then you click on what? Enter. All right? So this is the app we are looking at. Amazon Shopping. So you need to download and install it. I've already downloaded it and then I've already installed it. So let me click on open. Let me click on open here. All right, for you to see it. So please follow this video carefully. So this is the app here. All right, this is the app. All right, this is the app. So I've not signed in here. So this is the app. So I'm going to show us how to do that. Now the second app you need is what is called Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator. There are various Google Authenticator, but please make sure you're using this one. All right, Google Authenticator. Make sure you're using this one. All right, this is the one I use. So also download and install this Google Authenticator. Download and install it. I've downloaded it and I've also installed it. So let me click on open. So if I click on open, this is how the Google Authenticator looks. All right. So we have downloaded the two apps, the Amazon Shopping and the Google Authenticator. So what I need to do now, I'm going over to the Amazon Shopping. Remember, this is the Amazon Shopping that we downloaded. So depending on you, if you download it, I don't know how your interface will be. So the interface I want to come here, that you have something like an icon, a human icon. I'm clicking on it. So I'm clicking on it. So clicking on it is I want this interface you're seeing now to come, all right, to pop up. So all you need to do right now is you need to create an account. Come here, click on create account. That is what you need to do, not sign in. Create an account. Now the thing is that whether you are on KDP or Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping, once you have created an account, you can use it to sign in on your KDP. That is just it. So all you need to do is to click on create an account. So I'm going to click on create an account and clicking on it. It is opening up. So please watch this video with rapt attention. So is asking me sign in. Listen carefully. It's asking me sign in if you are already a customer. No. What you want to do is to create an account. This is what you're going to do. Create account. New to Amazon. Create account. So that is what you're going to do. If you are signing up on Amazon KDP for the first time, this is the first thing you need to do. So I'm going to click on that create account. You can see it is bringing up account details for me to create. You understand? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my first and last name here, and then here mobile number or email. I'm going to put my email address, and then I'm going to create a password, and I click on what? Continue. So let me quickly do that. All right, let me quickly do that. Here I'm going to put my first name. All right, I'm going to put my first name, space, and then I put another name, and then email. Please make sure that the email you want to use is the email you want to use for your KDP, which must have a combination of your name. So don't go and use a slang name. You understand what I'm saying? Use a slang name, but be risky for this, or just use your name. So I'm going to use this email. All right, I'm going to use this email for this account. All right, I'm going to use it for this account, and then I'm going to create a password. All right, I'm going to create a password. All right, I'm going to create a password for this word account. All right, please follow me carefully. All right, follow me. So I've inputted my first name, I've inputted my email, and then I've inputted my password. So the next thing I need to do is what? To click on what? Verify email. All right, I'll click on what? Verify email. So let me not now. So click on verify email. All right. So it will boot up. So what happens is that they will send me a mail. All right. So it's booting, and they will send me what? A mail. So I will just go to that email, and then click on it once they send me an email. So it says verify email. Now, listen, an OTP has been sent to that email. So all I need to do is to go and copy the OTP, all right, sent to my email. Please watch this video carefully. Follow it step by step, all right? So I'm going to go over to my email, all right? I'm going over to, as you can see, they have sent me an email, all right? So let me open it, and then I'll copy this OTP here. I'll copy this OTP here. So I'm copying the OTP. I'll copy it, then I'll come over to that Amazon shopping. I'll paste the OTP here, okay? I'll paste it, and then I'll click on create an account, all right? I'll click on create an account. So it will load up an account to be created what? For me, all right? So this account has been created. Automatically, it has signed me in. All right, automatically it has signed me. As you can see, it has signed me in. So this is also how your own is going to what? Display. So what do you need to do? The next thing you need to do is to come over here. The next thing you need to do is to come over here. All right, here, come over here, where you have icon like a human being. Click on it. All right, click on it. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so sorry guys, the network has been bad. All right, so once you do that and get to this interface, all right, so the next thing we need to do right now is you need to click on your account. All right, so you're not clicking here, as I said, no. All right, so network has been giving me issues. So click on your account, So once you verify the OTP and then it brings you to this interface, you need to click on your account. Now, the reason why we're using this Amazon shopping is because if you want to create account directly using the kdp.amazon.com, it will require your phone number for OTP, but this wouldn't do that. So what we need to do right now is to set an OTP, how we want to receive our OTP. Instead of phone number, we'll now set it to receive our OTP using the Google Authenticator that we downloaded initially. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so click on your account. And once you click on it, it will open up. The network is very poor, so it will open up. So once this opens up, scroll over and go to login and security. All right, go over to login and security. All right, go over to login and security. So once this open, you will see various options here. All right, so you will see two-step verification. As you can see, two-step verification. So what you need to do is to turn it on. All right, is to turn it on. Guys, follow me gently. All right, so this is the layer we are. So all you need to do is to turn on this two-step verification. Turn it on. Follow me gradually, guys. So I'm going to turn it on. Click on turn on. So once you click on turn on, it will open up an interface where we are now going to set up our Google Authenticator. Now, as you can see, this area has shown. It says here, require a password and OTP to sign in into your what account. So what we need to do is to click on what get what started. All right, so let's click on what get what started. So once you click on get started, now look at what appeared. You have phone number. So automatically the KDP was designed, or the Amazon was designed in such a way that your phone number must be what verified. As you can see, automatically it is on phone number. So we are not going to use that. So you see here is ticked. So we are going to tick this authenticator what app. So that is what you're going to tick right now. You're going to tick this what authenticator what app. So I'm going to tick the authenticator what app. I tick it. All right. So immediately I ticked it, you can see this interface what appeared. Now there are two ways to do this. If you are using please don't get confused here. If you are using a laptop and you're doing everything I'm doing, you can use your phone to scan this code, to scan this what code. All right. But you need your smartphone. So what we are going to do right now is to go to our Google Authenticator that we have downloaded, and then we now integrate this our account using this word key. Using this word key. Follow me carefully. So once we integrate this key, we will enter the OTP that will be generated from the Google Authenticator, which means anytime you want to sign in, it will no longer require you use your phone number but the Google Authenticator what app. All right, so I'm going to copy this key right now. I'm going to copy this key right now. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it. Follow me gradually. I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to copy it now. Right now I'm copying it. All right, I'm copying it. Copy, and then I'll go to the Google Authenticator that I've downloaded. Remember, this is the Google Authenticator that I've downloaded. Now, if you see this Google Authenticator, you will see a plus icon below. This plus icon below. Click it. Once you click it, it will open up this interface. So what you're going to do right now is to click this, enter a setup key. Remember, we have already copied the key. We have already copied this key. Remember, we have already copied this key. We have already copied this key. So that is the key we want to enter. So we are going to come over here to the Google Authenticator, and then what we need to do is, let me go start afresh. Remember, I said that you will click this plus icon below. So I click on this plus icon, and then the next thing I'll click on is this enter setup key. So I'll click on it. Once I click a setup key, then enter the name you want this account to be associated with. That is the name, so that you can remember it. Remember, I have several accounts here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to input it. Let me say simple Amazon KDP guide. All right, that is what I'm going to input it. Now the key, I'm going to paste the key here. I'm going to paste the key here, right? That key that I copied. So I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to paste it. All right. So once I paste it, now look at this here. Look at this option. This should be on time based. If it's not on time based, change it to time based. So if I click this drop down here, sorry guys, if I click this, so you can see it's already on time based. So yours should also be on time word based. So once you have done all this, the next thing you need to do is to click on add. All right. So once you click on add, automatically an OTP will be generated. So I'm clicking on add. You can see an OTP has been generated. This is the OTP that was generated. So I'm going to copy it. Hold on guys, I'm going to copy it. So sorry guys for the call that came in. Now I want us to look at, you see, this changes per time. So always copy it fast. It changes per time. So I'm going to copy what is here. I just long press it. As you can see, if I long press, it said copied. It has generated another one. So you have to be very, very fast. I'll long press, and then I'll go over to this place, and then I will paste it here. I'll just hope it doesn't expire. I'll paste it here. Paste. So once you paste it, click on the verify and continue. All right, click on the verify and continue. I'm going to click on verify and continue. So as you can see, suppress this. I've already set it up. You understand? I've already set it up. Now you are good to go. But listen carefully. If you do not want this, what is it called? This OTP. If you are on a, in fact, let me not say this right here because some of us will still what? Get what? Continue. So some of us will, some of us might get what is it called? Confused, because I wanted to explain this, but let me still explain it. But if you're logging in on KDP for the first time, that is, you want to sign up, please don't click this, because if you click on it, you will not get any OTP. What this means is that if you are using this particular browser, it will suppress OTP. You don't require OTP to sign up. All right, it will suppress the OTP. You don't require the OTP to what's it called, to sign up. All right, so what I'll do right now is I'll click on got it and turn on two-step verification. All right, so I'm going to click on got it and turn on two-step verification. As you can see, I've enabled it. It said you have turned on two-step verification. All right, you have turned on verification. So what this means is that I didn't tick that first one that I showed us to suppress. So if I had ticked it, this will show that I don't require OTP on this device, but it requires OTP on all devices. So whenever you want to sign up anywhere, it will require an OTP, which will be sent to you through your Google Authenticator app. You understand what I'm saying? So once you are done with this, all right, once you are done with this, the next thing you need to do is to go over to your browser. Let me go over to my browser. Let me use another browser. Let me use a Firefox here. Go to your browser and then sign up on, then go to your browser and then type in kdp.amazon.com, all right? kdp.amazon.com. Now, click on it. All right, this will open. Now, you are no longer, once this open, you are no longer going to sign up. You are no longer going to sign up. Rather, what you will do is to sign in. Please listen carefully. You are no longer going to sign up. What you are going to do is to sign in, because you already have an account on Amazon. So once you click on sign in, it will just require your OTP, which will be sent to your Google Authenticator. All right. So watch the magic that will happen here. I'm going to click on sign in. Watch the magic that will happen. Once I click on sign in here, I click on sign in. Then that email, all right, that email that I used. So I'm going to input it. All right. All right. Sorry, you have to be careful. All right. I'm putting the email at gmail.com. All right. Then the password. All right. Let me remove this and hide my password. All right. So once everything is set, all right, the next thing you need to do is to click on sign in. Click on sign in. I've imputed the email I used, and I'm going to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, as you can see, it's asking me to enter OTP. All right, it's asking me to enter OTP. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my Google Authenticator. Go to my Google Authenticator. This is the OTP that has been sent. That's the recent. So I'll copy it. I'll copy it and then come back here and then paste it. All right, guys, this is just the way. So let's watch this video, then I'll paste it. All right, so I'm going to paste it. Then if you do not want them to ask you for OTP whenever you're logging in on this browser, you just tick on don't require OTP on this browser. All right, so all you need to do is click on sign in. All right, click on sign in. Automatically it will log you in automatically, as you can see. All right, so what do you need to do? You just come down here and click on agree. All right, click on agree. Guys, boom, you can see what will happen right now. We've been able to create a KDP account. As you can see, your account is incomplete. That is, you've signed into KDP account. All right, so all you need to do, as you can see, you have an account already. So all you need to do is just to simply come on here. All right, all you need to do is to come up here. All right, come up here, click on your account. All right, click on your account. Click on your account. Once you click on your account, you can now be able to create your KDP account. That is, complete your information, all the information needed. So in the videos I have in my KDP course, you will see how to create this how to impute all these details that I said. The network is very, very, very bad. So I just clicked on your account. It's loading up. It's loading up. So you should bring out the details that I'm supposed to fill. So this is just the way you need to do it, and then you will successfully create a KDP account without sweat. All right. Okay, so it's open, as you can see. So you can now go ahead to impute your country and whatever. So this is just how to do it. This is just how to. So in the second video on the course, all right, you can now proceed to do all this stuff. But if you're watching this on YouTube, all right, this is just how to create your KDP account right now without you having issues with OTP. So, but if you already have my course, all you need to do is just go to the second video, and then you can now proceed. You can now proceed. I hope you found value in this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.